Flowers for you and for me. Yan. Look at the way they planted it. And it will last 1 month or 2 weeks, and then they will change. That's how they you make the airport look nice for the tourists who come to Hong Kong. Yan, amazing. Amazing one. Amazing. Yan.